I'm bringing you a lot of stock charts this week because there's a lot of companies reporting, over 500 companies this week, and a lot of them are your favorite names. But I think some of the ones in today's video probably you might not be as familiar with, but you shouldn't discount them because they've got great track records. So let's get right to it. First one is Baxter. They haven't missed in 5 years, and as you can see, it's a lot of green arrows on that chart. These medical devices type companies, services, have been kind of not, in the public eye much. So this one hasn't really been breaking out here, but we've got a nice upward trajectory since the beginning of 2016. We'll see if another beat can push it higher, if it beats, of course. Our next company is Energizer Holdings, and yes, it's the battery guys. And as you can see, after they went public again in 2015, they haven't missed either. So this is kind of a cheater one, but shares are on the upward move here. And if you're just kind of playing one that's not quite as much in the spotlight, this is one you should be keeping on your short list. Our third stock is a company that you all know because they're the second largest insurer in the United States, Allstate. They have just that one miss in 2015. It was a pretty big one, but since then they've redeemed themselves. They're back to beating again, back to getting their nearly perfect record. Shares look like they want to break out here. So this is definitely one you want to be watching if you're going to be playing this momentum off the earnings beat or miss, because it looks like if they get another beat, shares might be trending even higher here. And then our fourth company, because there's just too many this week, is Cirrus Logic. I don't think I covered this one last time, but they just have that one miss in 2016. The shares are really choppy, but this is in the really hot semiconductor area. Shares look like they are breaking out and want to continue to break out, so this is going to be a big earnings report for them and for people who are interested in the semis. This is definitely one you want to be watching in that area. So be sure to check in all week because I'll be covering even more of these companies that have these great earnings records. It's not easy to do. It's not easy to beat nearly every quarter or basically every quarter, as some of these companies are doing. So the ones that are doing it should be on your list to watch during earnings season. And if you want to play the options trades, again, be sure to check in with my colleague Dave Bartosiak. He's running Zach's Live Trader over on YouTube, where you can tune in and see what he has to say about the options trades with a lot of these companies, because I know a lot of you love to do those options. So be sure to tune in over there. That's at Zach's Live Trader, and I'll see you again.